Now, if you're only using Claude like you use Google just to ask questions, you're missing about 90% of how you can use Claude. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use your phone and your computer to put you ahead of probably 99% of people who are using Claude right now, or who are even using AI. And what's dope is that most of the stuff I'm showing you in this video, no one's ever seen or heard of, and how I was able to get over 200 million views on Instagram and over 120 million views here on YouTube. Stay tuned, let's get into it. So by the end of this video, you should know the functions of Claude and what each of those things does. So we're starting with the first one. First is the one y'all all know, and that's Claude Chat, my baby. As you see on the screen, I've been talking to it each and every day. I do things like get advice from it, ask it questions like y'all do Google, you know, but I also trained it to know me, learned it about my business, myself, what are my health habits, how strong do I want to be, how much do I want to learn, how much paper I want to make, all of the aspects of my business and my life that I wanted to know. I plugged it in here. And as you see, it did that little thing like getting information from my calendar. I'll show you later on in the video how I was able to connect my calendar to it. But I want you to see right here, it does things like give me the advice, like I said, show me what I have to do on my day, gives me titles for my YouTube videos. And I will say it's much better than ChatGPT at giving viral titles, viral information, shit that's good for social media. This is a winner. So Claude Chat is first and foremost, but I'm gonna teach you how to use this even better. Next, at number 2, you got Claude Cowork. Super popular, it's going around on Instagram. Who deleted me recently, give me my shit back, by the way. But Claude Cowork is where you're able to access files on your computer. So this is where it can dive into your computer, gang, and actually organize files on your computer, sort stuff. Think about it as like a clerical employee. You know what, let me show you. And as you see, live in real time, y'all saw with stuff all in the back of my screen. But this is like a ready-made employee that does what you ask. Look at the screen right here. So it took all of my stuff and put it where? Intercessions World, into this. So all of those files you saw in my background, it moved everything into my folder, one folder. So imagine asking an employee to do stuff, someone from Fiverr, or even yourself. It takes you a lot of time to do shit. But on this amazing software with Claude Cowork, you can get an employee that works all the time, all day and night, and whenever you ask him to do something, it does it with a good attitude. All right, at number 3, this is where we turn the video up, and I'm gonna be showing you shit that no other influencer has shown you on the internet. This is Composio. So this tool right here, it lets you connect to all your favorites, Google Calendars. I mean, even things like, imagine if you spent Google ads on something. I use Google ads for my YouTube videos. It'll analyze your Google ads. You can connect your Gmail. Every single thing here, your YouTube, your Instagram. See, they're not teaching you how to connect your Instagram to your Claude, but I'm showing you how in this video. It's right here on Composio and LinkedIn and Twitter. So many more tools that you want to connect, you can do right here with Composio. Now let me show you what you can do when you get Composio connected. Watch. It's kind of like jailbreaking your phone. You can really customize Claude the way you want. And when you really want to, you can go into your chat and type in, give me a summary of my YouTube over the last 10 days, a month. Give me a summary of my Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, whatever you connect here. But so far they got Instagram and YouTube. You can ask for a summary of your last 5 days, month, whatever, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to improve. And it's so real that it even tells you what you're not doing well and what you got to do better at. That's viral. Next is something called Dispatch. And plus, I definitely advise you make sure you use your phone. The phone app is fire, and the desktop app is what you want to need to, whether you're using a computer or a laptop, whatever. Now, when you connect your phone with Dispatch, you'll be able to start the assignment right here on your phone. Let's say you're at the airport. You're like, shit, I need something from my computer. I need to schedule a meeting. I need to access a file from my computer. You can literally start it right here on the Claude app. Tell it to do something, and then Dispatch will start taking the native files from your computer, gang, and putting them to work and doing all the stuff that I just showed you, organizing, moving things around, setting appointments. It's crazy. I'll do another video on that to deep dive, but literally you can have Dispatch, which is literally this, like your phone's like a dispatcher, calling your home station, your computer, your desktop, your PC, whatever, and it will be able to access everything you have at the crib. It's crazy. Next is Claude Code. So this is 5th, I believe, on the list. And this is crazy, bro. I've literally got rid of my editor because I've been editing videos using Claude with a click. I installed something called Remotion, And using Claude Code, you get endless agents and workers that go for you. Let me show you on the screen. Yeah, you heard that. That's real. That's a video I edited. It added B-roll, the captions, everything. I typed to it, brother. All I did was say, edit this video, make it look this. You can even drag references videos up there. I'll get into that. It's different, but Claude Code is literally crazy. I use Remotion to do this with Claude Code. And Claude Code's so crazy, bro. It can even make websites, PowerPoints, presentations. You can impress your job, your business, whatever, bro. It's literally, you can replace some humans with this. Or the people and the humans you do have, you can train them on how to use this like I do with my team and let these folks start going crazy and managing Claude, their own Claude bots, their own Claude agents. It's next level. And last and most certainly not least is you need a way to create content and you can connect your Higgs field to Claude by going to customize, adding some connectors, and you can add Higgs field to your Claude. Now, what I mean by Higgs field is a tool that lets you create videos, lets you create pictures, some of the most real things. That's what I did on Instagram, made AI pictures, celebrity pictures, things like that, and they go super viral. So now what you can do is imagine if you said, like what I have on the screen, create a marketing video. And when you tell it to create a marketing video, you can say 100 of them, 20 of them, 50 of them. It'll do it right now. And they look just like this. So that's the video for today, people. I gave you about 6 tips or 6 different ways you could use Claude right now, what they mean, how to use it. So 1, Claude Chat, very simple, but you're gonna get great advice, much better than ChatGPT, more tailored to you, and you can teach it about you. It's kind of like a verbal assistant, if you will. At number 2 is Claude Cowork. Now, Claude Cowork is you're going to access the stuff on your computer. It's a clerical employee, people that can move stuff from here to here, documents right here on your computer. 3 is going to be Claude Code. In Claude Code, we told you about you can make websites, presentations, edit videos, all those type of things. 4, Dispatch. Dispatch is where you have your phone, and that acts like a person that's a dispatcher and tells you your computer to start getting to work and your agents get to work at the crib. Next, Composio. That's really secret sauce, how you connect everything and to make one ecosystem. You can look through there and see what kind of apps you can connect. The list is endless. And last, Higgsfield. That's how you make your content for you on repeat so you don't gotta worry, and it makes fire, bro. Everything 1080p and crispy. Like the video, comment, and make sure you check for my course where I walk you through how to make these AI people on the regular. You did.